Welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where we explore the newest cars, future concepts, and the hottest SUVs on the road. Today, we are taking a full look at the all-new, and this compact SUV is coming with a bold new design, upgraded technology, better fuel efficiency, and a more premium feel than ever before. Suzuki is giving the Vitara a fresh identity for 2026, and honestly, this SUV looks ready to compete with some of the biggest names in the compact SUV market. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Suzuki Vitara is the completely refreshed exterior styling. The front design now looks sharper, wider, and more modern. Suzuki has added a redesigned grille with aggressive chrome detailing and slimmer LED headlights that give the SUV a sporty and futuristic appearance. The daytime running lights create a premium look, especially at night, while the front bumper has been redesigned with larger air intakes and a more muscular shape. The new Vitara looks much more expensive than previous generations, and it definitely has stronger road presence. Moving to the side profile, the SUV now features cleaner body lines, stylish alloy wheels, black wheel arch cladding, and a floating roof design that gives it a sporty crossover vibe. Suzuki seems to have focused on making the Vitara look urban, modern, and adventurous at the same time. The higher ground clearance also makes it look more capable for rough roads and weekend trips. At the rear, the SUV gets updated LED tail lights connected by a sleek trim piece, giving the back of the car a wider and more premium look. The redesigned rear bumper and roof spoiler complete the sporty design perfectly. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Suzuki Vitara feels more refined and more advanced than before. Suzuki has upgraded the materials across the dashboard, seats, and door panels, giving the interior a much more premium feel. The dashboard design is cleaner now, and the center touchscreen is larger and easier to use. Drivers will likely get a fully digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, USB-C ports, and an upgraded sound system. The infotainment system looks modern and user-friendly, making the cabin feel more connected and tech-focused. Comfort has also improved in the new Vitara. The seats appear softer and more supportive, making long drives much more relaxing. Rear passengers now have better legroom and headroom, which is important for families and daily use. Suzuki also worked on reducing cabin noise, so highway driving should feel smoother and quieter than before. The panoramic sunroof option adds a luxury touch, while ambient lighting gives the cabin a modern atmosphere at night. Under the hood, the 2026 Suzuki Vitara is expected to offer multiple engine options depending on the market. Many reports suggest Suzuki may continue using efficient mild hybrid and strong hybrid technology to improve fuel economy and lower emissions. That means drivers could get better mileage while still enjoying enough power for city driving and highway cruising. Some versions may include a turbocharged petrol engine for extra performance, while hybrid variants could focus more on smooth and economical driving. One of the biggest strengths of the Vitara has always been fuel efficiency, and the 2026 model is expected to continue that tradition. With rising fuel prices around the world, buyers are looking for SUVs that combine practicality with lower running costs, and Suzuki knows exactly how to deliver that balance. Whether you are commuting daily, driving in the city, or planning long road trips, the Vitara aims to give drivers confidence without spending too much on fuel. The driving experience is also expected to improve significantly. Suzuki engineers have likely updated the suspension system to make the ride smoother and more stable. The steering should feel lighter in city traffic while still giving enough confidence at higher speeds. The compact size of the Vitara makes it easy to park and maneuver, especially in crowded urban areas. At the same time, the SUV still provides enough space and comfort for family use. Safety is another major focus for the new 2026 Suzuki Vitara. Modern buyers expect advanced safety technology even in compact SUVs, and Suzuki appears ready to meet those expectations. The SUV may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only improve safety but also make driving easier and less stressful. The 2026 Vitara is entering a very competitive SUV market filled with strong rivals like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Toyota Corolla Cross, Honda HR-V, Nissan Kicks, and Mazda CX-30. But Suzuki has an important advantage. The company has a strong reputation for reliability, low maintenance costs, and excellent fuel economy. Many buyers trust Suzuki because the vehicles are practical, affordable to maintain, and dependable for everyday life. Another reason why the new Vitara could become popular is its balanced personality. Some SUVs focus only on performance, while others focus only on economy. The Vitara tries to combine everything together. It offers modern styling, practical features, fuel efficiency, comfort, and enough technology to satisfy younger buyers. This balance makes it attractive for first-time SUV owners, families, and even people upgrading from small hatchbacks. The design direction of the new Vitara also feels more global now. Instead of looking like a simple budget SUV, the 2026 model has a more premium and mature appearance. Suzuki clearly wants the Vitara to attract customers who may also be considering more expensive compact SUVs. The updated exterior styling, modern interior, and advanced features help the Vitara move closer to the premium category while still keeping Suzuki's practical DNA. For adventure lovers, some markets may even receive an all-wheel drive version. Suzuki has experience building compact off-road capable vehicles, and an AWD Vitara could become a strong option for drivers who enjoy mountain trips, rough roads, or outdoor adventures. Combined with good ground clearance and lightweight construction, the Vitara could deliver impressive versatility for its size. Pricing will play a huge role in the success of the 2026 Suzuki Vitara. If Suzuki manages to keep the price competitive while offering all these new upgrades, the SUV could become one of the best value choices in the compact SUV segment. Buyers today want technology, comfort, safety, and good fuel economy without paying luxury SUV prices, and the Vitara seems ready to offer exactly that combination. Overall, the all-new looks like a smart evolution of Suzuki's popular compact SUV. It keeps the practicality and efficiency that people already love while adding a more modern design, better technology, improved comfort, and upgraded safety features. For many buyers, this could be the perfect everyday SUV that delivers style, reliability, and value all in one package. So what do you think about the new 2026 Suzuki Vitara? Would you choose this SUV over rivals like Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, or Honda? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future car reviews and automotive content right here on Car Trend.